Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to get your tax refund. We'll start by clarifying what a refund means and why you might be due one. Then, we'll go through the crucial steps for preparing and submitting your tax return correctly. Next, I'll guide you through the different options for receiving your money, whether it's direct deposit or a paper check. Finally, we'll cover how to easily monitor your refund's progress. Filing your tax return accurately is the first critical step to getting your refund. Begin by collecting all your important documents, such as W-2 forms from employers and any interest or dividend statements. You can choose to e-file using tax software, which is often faster, or mail a paper return. Double-check that all your income and deductions are correctly reported to prevent processing delays. A thorough review before submitting can save you a lot of hassle. Once your return is processed, you have a couple of options for receiving your refund. Direct deposit is generally the quickest and most secure method, often delivering funds within 3 weeks. You'll need to provide your bank account and routing numbers accurately. Alternatively, you can opt for a paper check, which will be mailed to the address listed on your return. This method typically takes a bit longer, sometimes up to 6 to 8 weeks. After filing, you can easily track your refund status online. The official Where's My Refund tool on the tax authority's website is your best resource. You'll need your social security number, filing status, and the exact refund amount shown on your return. You can usually check the status 24 hours after e-filing, or about 4 weeks after mailing a paper return. Most e-filed refunds are issued within 21 days.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.